Hello! Welcome to our channel. We're Tash and Tracy and we're spending this autumn exploring Europe in our Expedition 68 camper van. From hidden gems to breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we hit the road for new adventures. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are back from the mountains.
Wifty.
Wifty. Hello, my lad. Hello. We're in a place called ZADAR.
Yes.
We're at another campsite. We're just going for our swim and then we're going to explore the town later. Tracy's warming up.
How do you know?
I'm not sure.
Oh, this is a right old faff. Hang on.
Oh gosh.
I'm right faff.
So we just left the campsite and we're walking into the old part of the town, which I think is over there. Tracy's very excited because is it a walled town?
It's got walls, yes, but it actually was established very early. So it's a very early Assyrian settlement, which was taken over by the Romans, and there's still some hint of Roman architecture there, including the Forum. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. And it's got a sea organ just on this point out here, so it'd be nice to go and see that too. And then finally, whilst I'm here, we could watch the sunset. Apparently it's one of the best sunset spots in Croatia, so we might do that.
We're almost there.
It's great. Lovely walk.
Yeah, it's quite a long walk. We're staying over by the trees over there, so you go like up and down because of the little marinas. It's a lovely walk.
It is.
Yeah. So we thought we were halfway round, but we still got about another 20 minutes, haven't we?
I think so, yeah.
It's because there's so many marinas.
We might have to go through here.
Yeah. But talking of marinas, in the last 5 years, this area has become established as one of the main sailing places in Croatia. There's a bridge over there across to the old town. Coming to the end.
This has clearly been a very wealthy place. There's marble on the floor and the quality of the materials is stunning. Look at these beautifully finished bits of stone. It's picked out. We're on top of the town walls. Look, that looks like an old part of the fortification, almost like a base of a tower.
Let's have a closer look.
Good lookout point.
Yes.
Well, we shall walk to the sea. So we're at the waterfront, and this was an area in need of regeneration, so it's interesting that public art has been used to do that. There's a piece by a very famous Croatian artist called the Sea Organ, and it uses the natural movement of the sea to create sounds through pipes, which we can just hear in the background here. We'll go closer and listen more. And on the other side there's a monument to the sun, which is a large glazed piece at level with the paving, and it collects light through the day and at night produces a light show. So we hope to be back here for the sunset, which is second to none. This is apparently the best place for a sunset in Croatia, and to look at the light show. So we've come across the Roman Forum, which is absolutely splendid. So we've got one of the columns left, which would have supported roof structures and other things. And there are the three kings, the heads of the three kings. And if you look behind, you can also see some of the bases of the columns.
So this is all the old Roman grave place?
Yes, and so when we go to Hadrian's Wall, you'll actually see the same construction, the same squared stones, the infill. So this is what's left of the forum, or the shopping area. So sad there's a car park next to it.
Yeah.
That was really nice spaghetti in a really funky little cafe bistro.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very cool.
That was lovely.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah,
very nice. Almost feels like you're in someone's back garden.
I think we are.
Top food though.
So columns there, column bases there, and then there's column bases here as well. So this is all part of the sort of Roman settlement that we're stood in at the moment. And across the way is the very famous archaeological museum, which we're not going into, but is an interesting modern intervention into such a ancient townscape. There's more over there. Amazing place this is. Oh gosh. Another time we'll go into the museum.
Tracy's very happy. Champagne? That's for us, Trace.
We'll take this one.
Yeah, we'll have this. So the plan now is to head back to the organ so we can watch the sunset.
Yeah, that'd be lovely.
Yeah. The perfect end to a perfect day. There's something quite special about watching sunset and listening to natural organs from the sea.
Yes. Wow, that was amazing.
Yeah, really amazing.
Watching the sun go down and then a big wake came through and a sea organ just picked up. You could feel it reverberating through you.
Yeah.
And then as it got darker, there's a light display which is just stunning.
Oh, it was amazing, eh?
Wow, so that was, what a way to end the day.
Yeah, and what a great thing to do in a town that everybody can just appreciate.
Yeah, absolutely.
Really good.
Yep. We've got a long walk back to the campsite now.
Yeah, so we're in this video here because we've got about a 15-minute walk back. We hope you enjoyed it.
If you did, please subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
So we'll catch you later.
Bye for now.
Bye.